learn multiplication. Equals this x. And it means in equal groups. Okay? And division is this one. And this is to divide things. It's almost the same as the multiplication. So let's learn multiplication first. So let's start. Okay. So let's start from multiplication first. So example, how do you know 1 times 1 equals how much? Or 2 times that? 2 times 2 equals how much? 3 times 3 equals how much? But it does not mean both of these must be the same numbers. There's also some of them that is 7 times 2. But this 7 times 2 equals 2 times 7. Because they have the same answers. 7 times 2 equals, yes, 14. But if we exchange them, 2 times 7 is still 14. So the answer is the same. So these two, they can just switch the numbers, but the answer is still the same. The meaning is different, but the answer is still the same. Okay? This one is also the same. 1 times 1, no need exchange. This one, no need exchange. All the same numbers. Why do you need exchange? You can't even exchange. Okay, so 1 times 1, right? The first number means 1 groups of 1, okay? So 1 of this, 1 groups of 1s. 1 group of 1 equals, okay. So let me take a piece of paper that I don't need. Okay. Here it comes. Okay, this piece. Okay. So 1 group, right? There's only 1 apple inside. How many apples are there in total? Of course, the answer is 1. So this answer should be 1. Correct. Good. 2 times 2 also the same. 2 boxes of apple, 1 and 2. How many? So 2 boxes. So this part has 2. Here also has 2, right? 2 boxes of 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you also can do 2, 4. But if it happens to be too many to roll, there's a lot of 2's. How will you do it? Correct. You use multiplication. So 2 times 2, same. The answer is 4. 3 times 3, also the same. 3 boxes of 3 equals, yes, 9. So this is how do we do multiplication. And if we are doing division, we must use multiplication. Okay, I'll tell you. Division, example, I'll give you 20 divide 5 equals how much? The clue is, do you know what is 5 times what equals 20? Good job! 5 times 4 equals 20, which means that 4 times 5 equals 20, right? Remember that rule? So, this answer, which is 4, right? We'll go to the division's answer, just like this. This 4 will go here, which means the answer is 4, because 20 we divided by 5, right? If there's 20 apples, right? We divide it into 5 buckets, and it is equal groups. How many will there be in each basket? The answer is 4. Okay, remember? all the other divisions thing is easier. But if the multiplication gives us this kind, you should be a bit confused. If it's 20 times 20 equals how much? I don't tell you. Or 10 times 5 equals how much? Okay, so let's teach you 10 times 5 this time first. Okay, which one is a smaller digit number? Good. 5 is the smaller one. So 5, put a 0 at the back equals, so this 5 became 50. Good. So it's 50. So the answer is 50. Then 20 times 20. Remember the rule? 20 boxes of 20. Remember? That's 10 times 10 equals, yes, say 100. So 20 times 20 must be, yes, 200. So it's 200. Okay. Which means that 200 divide 20 equals, yes, 20. And 50 divide, they're noisy. Maybe someone fixing at the house, just don't care about it. Okay, so 50 divided by 10 equals, yes, 5. Okay, so that's the answer. Okay, that's how you do multiplication, and especially division. You must know multiplication. I mean, you must learn multiplication before you learn division. That's the easier way to know division and multiplication. And if you don't really understand, how do I say it? If you know addition, which is plus, right? Example, I give you 20 times 20. Then I will teach you, right? Because what? So, if you don't understand, you can use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you can take this, right? And each boxes you put 20. And you can just add 20 plus 20 plus blah, 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 blah. And you will notice that the answer is same. 20 times 20 equals, yes, the answer will still be 200. So that's how you do multiplication and division. Okay? Please wait for the next video to learn like other things. Okay? Bye!